This is a video for my review of the Huuger 11 drawer TV stand dresser. And there's 6 drawers like this, 3 on each side. They're okay, decent enough. It has LED lights that can change colors. There's an app for it. There's 3 drawers like this one, and then there's 2 of these long drawers. And as you can see, it has 2 regular USB. It's got a USB-C as well, if you can see that, and then 4 regular outlets. And the TV is a 49-inch. It can handle probably a 55 to 60-inch TV as well. So, yeah.